Hey everybody, welcome to our virtual art walk. I'm Gene Chambers and I'm in Studio 18 here at the Monarch. Let me take you inside my studio for a tour. I do what I call hot rod art. I do paintings of old classic cars, vintage cars. Here's something I'm working on right now, an old 56 VW Bug. I'm working on an old vintage drag car, front engine dragster from the 70s. This one's actually from a local drag racer here, and this car is called the Iron Butterfly. I work in both oils and in one-shot enamel paint, which is an oil-based enamel paint for lettering and pinstriping and that kind of thing. So here's some of my artwork. Here's my gallery wall that includes a number of paintings, original paintings, and some giclée prints. So you can see that kind of work. I did some train paintings here recently for the 150th anniversary of the Golden Spike. So I've got the Jupiter and the 119, and those were kind of fun paintings to work on. So would love it if you could stop by my gallery once we get back into the real world, and hope to see you soon.